Swami Vivekananda was known not just a man who launched a revolution that even to this day resonates around the world, but a soul that enlightened the minds and conscience of many. He was the first Indian to represent his country and Hinduism at the gigantic platform Parliament of the World's Religions in the year 1893. There is one interesting story behind this that will fill you with great pride. Vivekananda came to know that for the first time a Parliament of World's Religions was being organized in Chicago, where delegates from all over the world were invited to join in. On his arrival in Chicago on July 30, 1893, Vivekananda learned that no one without any credential or bona fide could attend the parliament as a delegate. Though he felt utterly disappointed, but he didn't give up. As the event was weeks away and Chicago seemed to be a bit expensive for him, Vivekananda decided to cut down on his expenditure, and to start with, he moved to Boston. There he met Professor John Henry Wright of Harvard University, who requested him to give a lecture at the university, and later helped him get the requisite credentials for the big event. Impressed by his friend's generosity, he decided to open up to people of Boston and Chicago. During his stay for next few days in Boston, Swami Vivekananda came across so many people, some of whom inspired him and some who he left inspired. Just a day before the big event, Swami Vivekananda returned to Chicago. In the evening, he decided to spend some time with himself to clear his mind ahead of his lecture the next day. For the evening walk, Vivekananda remained dressed in his saffron robe, and while he was walking near a park, a woman who had been conspicuously observing him for some time stopped him. Unable to control her thoughts, she asked him, "Can't you wear proper clothes to look like a gentleman?" Vivekananda, with a polite smile and gesture, replied, "In your culture, a tailor makes a gentleman, but in our culture, character makes gentlemen." Swamiji is someone who has never lost his calm, ever. He is someone who is made of the great Indian traditions, top to bottom. My dear brothers and sisters, it takes one moment to lose your cool. But if you can bring yourself to forgive, you will find that you are capable of an equally befitting reply. Hope you are inspired from this inspirational story of Swamiji. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.